Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable background music on your Lumosity app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this way, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go down, click here on more down here. When just click here on more, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on account settings. We just click on it here. Then you come to next step here. So then all you have to do, just come here to background music. You just click here in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here background music. It's disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you.